Have you ever wondered how global trade agreements come together? The latest India-US trade negotiations show us just that. As we approach July 2025, the stakes are high, and so are the expectations. The India-US trade talks are entering a critical phase. Both nations aim to finalize an interim trade agreement by early July. This includes a first tranche of tariffs, market access, and digital trade issues. The June discussions yielded productive results, gathering momentum for the upcoming deadline. One significant aspect is India's firm position. The country is prioritizing core sectors like agriculture and digital infrastructure. India is resistant to opening its markets to US wheat, dairy, and corn. However, India is willing to offer tariff cuts on high-value US exports, such as almonds and bourbon whiskey. This balance is crucial for both sides to reach an agreement. The expiration of the US tariff pause adds urgency. 8th July marks a potential turning point. Despite the pressure, there is skepticism about meeting this deadline. Past trade negotiations faced delays, causing doubts about quick resolutions. An Indian official emphasized that national interests must remain a priority. On a hopeful note, there's optimism coming from the US. Former President Trump hinted at a very big deal with India, especially following the China trade deal. Signs of momentum are also noted by analysts predicting a solid agreement soon. Looking ahead, several key events are on the horizon. The Indian delegation is expected in Washington for talks in early July. Details about tariff reductions and potential concessions from both sides will be crucial. Ultimately, leaders aim for a comprehensive bilateral trade agreement. Both nations are preparing for the next steps. Want to stay updated on this unfolding story? Subscribe and follow for timely updates on trade agreements and international relations.